Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. I'm live here at MWC 2018 and I'm doing a quick hands-on look at the Nokia 8110 4G. HMD made a lot of people happy last year at MWC when they announced and brought back the Nokia 3310. But for this year, they're bringing back another old classic, and that is the Nokia 8110. It's notable for its curve, and that's probably why they call it the banana phone. But it even got more attention when it was featured in the movie The Matrix, starring Keanu Reeves back in 1999. For this year's updated classic in the Nokia 8110 4G, it brings again that same familiar design. It's definitely a throwback for sure, and it's not for everyone because yes, at its core, it is a feature phone. It's constructed entirely out of plastic, which makes it very lightweight, but if you're used to all the premium materials we have in today's high-end smartphones, you probably won't want to look at this phone. The keypad is exposed once you open up the cover, and when you do that, it gives it that shape of a banana, and that's why it's called the banana phone. Obviously, this phone isn't for everyone, but if you want a phone that's going to offer a long battery life, or if you're just going to be using it primarily for voice phone calls, this is something that might be suitable for you. That's because its 1500 mAh battery is ready to deliver upwards around 25 days of standby time on LTE. Now, if you're going to be using this phone, expect to do just the basics. So phone calls, text messages are great, but if you plan to do anything more, you might be shocked. The specs aren't worth anything to brag about. It features a Qualcomm 205 chipset, it has 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of internal storage, and it has a 2.4-inch QVGA display, and in back you have a 2 megapixel camera. Obviously, this phone is a throwback, and if you want to experience nostalgia, or if you love the original Nokia 8110, this might be something you might be after. It's priced at 89 euros, but there's no word whether or not it's going to be coming out to the US. So if you guys want to learn more about the Nokia 8110 4G, you could check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John V, signing off.